Today we are going to talk about the rice water experience, and especially with Sam has used for 2 months, almost for every day. And when I met with Sam 2 months back, his hair was light colored, and he was complaining like since he's been in Dubai for last 3 years because of the water and the different weather, he was not happy with his hair. They were getting thinner, finer, and I just recommended start using the rice water. And what is your experience with Sam?
Wow, doctor, thank you. I would like to thank you first for this is very good experience which I have. I used to train myself like very hard, and I love to take shower actually every day.
You said 3 days,
three
showers
times
day.
a week. Yeah, 3 times per day. Actually, like if you connect like 15, 17 times per week, this is a lot. So I love shower. I love shampoos even. So no shower without shampoo. So I love shampoo as well. So I shampoo every day, 3 times as well. So after 3 years, actually, what I'm find is my hair is getting weak. Very little starts fall down when I start sleeping. When I go to the bed, I find my hair is going down a lot. So I said, if I'm gonna do a lot of showers, I should find a way to get my hair back and strong and much powerful. So you recommend it and
Easy thing,
yeah,
like you made
you-
yourself.
you just-
No money spent, nothing.
you
And-
just tell me about like why you not using the rice water. Like for me, I never heard about it actually. But then yeah, I try. I was at that time cooking something myself. It's there already, and the water start using it and put it in the jar. Yeah, and I start checking it and massaging my hair every night. And now after 2 months from today, actually, if you can see my hair is really getting much stronger and darker and very
And thicker
very
as well.
thicker. Yeah. So I will really thank you, doctor. That's very good experience. What I have it, and I'm gonna keep it going. You guys, you should try it. Actually, if you try, you will see that. So
Thank you so much for sharing your experience
Yeah,
with
you're
Sam with
more
us.
than welcome.
And of course, it is going to be beneficial for everyone. That's why we are making this video to share our experience. So why would shouldn't you benefit yourself from this rice water as well? Thank you very much for watching.